say off. All right. Hi, my name is Sue. I'm a principal chiropractor of Los Angeles. I've been practicing over 20 years.
He's got my back. It's super easy. I just can pop in and out 5 minutes whenever I need an adjustment.
I even have family members that are chiropractors, and I still come to him.
I gave Dr. Wu a chance, and after 3 sessions of the 5 that I had purchased in the package, I knew I wanted to be a member.
The longer you're a member, this is my favorite part, the price goes down. Sometimes when I'm having a long week, I'll struggle in here, then I get adjusted by Doc, and I'm walking out smiling, happy, ready for the next day.